Let's consider a real-life game situation where you have a player inventory system, and you want to add a new item to the end of an array that represents the inventory. Here's an example of how you can achieve this in Unity using C#. In the example, we have an inventory system script with an array inventory that represents the player's inventory. In the start method, we simulate adding a new item to the inventory by instantiating a new game object, new item. The addItemToEnd method is responsible for adding the new item to the end of the inventory array. Here's how it works. We create a new temporary array called newInventory with a size increased by 1 to accommodate the new item. We iterate through the existing inventory array using a for loop and copy each element to the corresponding index in newInventory. We add the new item to the last index of newInventory. Finally, we replace the old inventory array with the new newInventory array, effectively adding the new item to the player's inventory. By using the addItemToEnd method, you can dynamically add elements to the end of an array in Unity's C# scripting, simulating the addition of items to a player's inventory or any similar game situation. Please subscribe, like, comment and share my channel for more fun videos, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.